Isn't that what we need to see? You come begging for votes, saying you are better than the others in leading this country with a vision, and you jeopardize youngsters. Instead of being accountable, you have only hurled abuses at them. You have the audacity to call them cockroaches, anti-national elements, Deshandrohi. You will do it on your own children. This is a phenomenal fight. This is a peaceful fight. I am so proud of the youngsters of this country. They have not got into violence, but they have come with flowers. They have dared the rain. They are standing and asking a question. First, to be accountable and getting deep into this. This is your responsibility. And people like Sonam Wangchuk sir, you would also call him a Deshandrohi. Just because he questioned your atrocities on the nature in Ladakh, on the people of Ladakh, the culture of Ladakh, you will jail him. But you will leave him, and now he is sitting. The very fact that such dignitaries, such people, a person like Wangchuk is sitting with the youngsters, itself says that this is a genuine fight. This is not anger, this is pain. It is a deep cry. This country will witness an arc. You people, more you avoid this, it is going to boomerang on you. People are knowing you. People are knowing your arrogance. Why are you shielding a minister? Why are you not taking moral responsibility? You need only money and power. You have not left an Aam Aadmi, nor have you left Ram. How much money do you need? At what cost? At youngsters dying, committing suicide? People suffering? This has to end, and until then, we as civil society will stand with our children, our youngsters. I have nothing to gain on this. I have reached a point of life, but these youngsters have 40, 50 years of a country in front of them. They are the ones to whom this country belongs. And to see these youngsters come on the street peacefully and protest, ask questions, ask for just accountability. You don't want to be accountable, shows how shameless you are, or how afraid you are, or how many skeletons are in the cupboard. Eventually everything will come out. Until then, we will stand for the youngsters of this country. Thank you. And I call on 20th July, I will be there too, for our peaceful march to the Parliament, asking for accountability. We are just asking for accountability, and we will not let you go. And I invite every citizen of this country, it is your children too. When there is a protest for the country, this is not a political party. They are not talking ideology. They are asking accountability, simple accountability. They are not a political party. They are not talking ideologies. They are not talking all things here. They are asking for accountability, and I request every citizen of this country, whoever it is possible, please stand by our children, our youngsters, because we dream of their future, and their future is at stake with such arrogant government. Thank you very much.
Professor.
Cheating किया सर?
हाँ जी,
रियल चीटिंग किया सर?
मैं फिल्मों में चीटिंग करता हूँ, पैसा मिलता है। वो एक्टिंग है, ये एनएक्टिंग है।
So
वो एक्ट ऑफ आर्ट है, ये एक्ट ऑफ क्राइम है।
I simply love the way you Prakash has just framed it. It's a struggle for accountability. Make the ruthless accountable to what they are doing. 20 young people, students, have sacrificed their lives to protect. To express the helplessness, the way the education is drifting, the way the entrance exams are being held. But nobody seems to be accountable. Some lowly clerk in the office. What about the minister? So, the students, youth all over India are rising in protest, in solidarity with what is going on at Jitendra Mandir today. Amjad, Sonam, Pankaj, his hunger strike has ended the 13th day. And this struggle at Jitendra Mandir is going on the 21st day. There is no organization. Is the nature of this strike is spontaneity. Those who feel in the heart of heart, this state of affairs cannot continue, should not continue, are protesting. This is the nature of protest that is spreading in India. Say in the last 3 months, more than 2 lakh workers, of whom 66% are below the age of 40. That's what Government of India ASI data says. They have gone on strike. There is no organized leadership at the top. No organization which lays down the ladder. But digitally driven. New ways of communication. Youth, whether it be worker, student, or unemployed, they are all protesting against the way this country is drifting. So today we have come, just like Prakash has come, to express our solidarity for this momentous moment in India. This is the moment when the nation path for future is going to be laid down. It's going to be a march, long march, and on 20th, the Parliament march, which you have called, we offer all solidarity and support. We will do whatever we can in our own way. How to participate and make it effective? I have no doubt it will be effective. Nature of this movement being the spontaneity, I am certain students and youth from all over will come and will have made a tremendous impact on the country. 2 sentences in Malayalam. ഇവിടെ 21ാം ദിവസമാണ് സമരം. എന്നോടൊപ്പം അഭിജിത്ത് CJP പാർട്ടിയുടെ നേതാവ്, അതോടൊപ്പം ഇവിടെ സോനം വാങ്ചോക്ക് 14 ദിവസം സമരത്തിലേക്ക് നിരാഹാര സമരം നടക്കുക. ഒരു വലിയ സംഘടനയും കാര്യങ്ങളൊന്നും ഇല്ലാതെ തന്നെ ഇതുപോലെ രാജ്യത്തെ ലക്ഷക്കണക്കിന് യുവാക്കളെ, യുവതികളെ, വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ 21 ദിവസം നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കുന്ന സമരത്തിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ കഴിയുന്നത്, കാണിക്കുന്നത് രാജ്യത്ത് ഇന്ന് വളർന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന സംതൃപ്തിയാണ്. 20 പേരാണ് ആത്മഹത്യ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ആർക്കാ ഉത്തരവാദിത്വം? പ്രധാനമന്ത്രിക്കില്ല, അമിത്ഷായ്ക്കില്ല, വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ മന്ത്രിക്കെങ്കിലും വേണ്ടേ? അതിന് വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ മന്ത്രി പറയുന്നത് എന്താ? ടെററിസ്റ്റുകളുടെ ബി ടീം ജന്തർ മന്ദിറിൽ ഇരിക്കുകയാണെന്ന്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് വന്നത്. ഈ ടെററിസ്റ്റുകളുടെ സ്വഭാവം ഒന്ന് കാണണം. നമ്മൾ എതിർക്കുന്നവരെയൊക്കെ ഭീകരവാദികളായിട്ടും ദേശവിരുദ്ധരായിട്ടും മുദ്രകുത്തി അമർച്ച ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്ന BJP സർക്കാരിന്റെ നയത്തിനെതിരായിട്ട് 20-ാം തീയതി നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന പാർലമെന്റ് മാർച്ചിന് എല്ലാ പിന്തുണയും നൽകുകയാണ്, ഐക്യദാർഢ്യം പ്രകടിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I invite Jitendra Chowdhury, sir, who is the leader of opposition of Tripura.
I would strongly echo the voices made by my previous two colleagues, Prakash and Thomas Isaac. मैं जो दो साथी मेरा पहले बोले हैं उनका साथ पूरी सहमत हूं. What I like to say, we did who born after the independence and before 1960s, we were little frustrated. हम थोड़ा हताश थे. 1960 के पहले जो हम जन्म लिए हैं, इस मोदी, अमित शाह, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान, what the wrongs they are committing almost every day, every moment, every seconds, which are causing tremendous suffering to our 1.4 billion population of हर दिन हर पल जो गलतियां कर रहा है, इन मजदूर, किसान, सभी वर्ग का नुकसान हो रहा है. वो लोग थोड़ा खामोश, बिकॉज दे आर एजेड. वो लोग थोड़ा बुजुर्ग हो गया, इसलिए थोड़ा खामोश है. लेकिन जब युवा लोग, आप लोग जब खड़ा हो गया, हम अभी we are very much confident that this country, this 1.4 strong population of this country, ये युवा भारत, ये जिएंगे, ये पूरा जो गलती को हटाएंगे. All odds from this country will go. So my friends, I appeal all the youngsters and the people from all walks of life to join with your Parliament March on 20th. And I would appeal all the students from Northeastern region, from my state Tripura, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, thousands of students they are here, another section of population. There in the universities, there are the offices to join peacefully and join hands to eliminate, to eradicate this corrupt regime and to bring bring the, what I say, all that what demands you are raising, that to put the accountability to our this government, ये जो गवर्नमेंट लोगों का बात सुनता नहीं है, उनको जिम्मेदारी लाने के लिए आप मजबूरी करेंगे। ये 20 तारीख को मैं भी दिल्ली में होंगे तो आपका साथ मैं भी चलूंगा। मैं दोबारा आपका जो ये लड़ाई को समर्थन करता हूं और सदावंशियों से दिव्य जी उनका जो लड़ाई ये हिंदुस्तान के लिए, हिंदुस्तान का भविष्य के लिए ये जरूर आप बढ़ेंगे, ये उम्मीद करता हूं।
Thank you so much, Jitendra sir. Thank you so much, Thomas sir, and thank you so much, Prakash sir. अभी आखिरी में मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ जो आज न्यूज आई है, सीबीआई की चार्जशीट में जो नीट पेपर लीक हुआ है उसमें किसी भी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल का नाम नहीं है। तो समझ में नहीं आता कि जो नरेंद्र मोदी हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर वो क्यों प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं धर्मेंद्र प्रधान और गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स को, क्योंकि बिना सिस्टम के लोगों के, जो लोग सिस्टम में बैठे बिना उनके इन्वॉल्वमेंट के पेपर लीक नहीं हो सकता। तो जो भी ऑफिशियल्स है, जो भी मिनिस्टर हो, उन पर कार्रवाई हो। अगर मिनिस्टर्स और ऑफिशियल्स पर कार्रवाई नहीं होगी तो पेपर लीक होगी नहीं कभी। थैंक यू।